Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to use Snapchat, and in today's video I'll be teaching you all the basic features you need to know for a beginner to use Snapchat. So let's start today's video without any further ado. And before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification onto our channel because we make content like this. And to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So first, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Snapchat account. So for creating a Snapchat account, go to your browser and type login and press enter. And then go to login Snapchat. Then click on sign up button, which is right below login. Then fill up this form by writing your first name over here. Let me write my first name and my last name. Writing your first name and your last name, enter your username. So this is the name which is going to be displayed in Snapchat as your username. So remember that. So let me type my username. Your username, type your password which you want for your Snapchat. Now you need to remember this password to log into this account later. So remember your password and username. Typing your password, enter your phone number. And before entering your phone number, choose your country, from which country you are. So I'm from Nepal and it was NP already. So enter your phone number over here. After entering your phone number, enter your date of birth. Entering your date of birth and filling up every single thing over here in this page, click on sign up and accept. So it's going to send a verification to your phone number which you just entered now in SMS. So I'm going to check my SMS. So I just received my code and I'm going to enter my code over here. After entering your code, press on verify. So this process is to verify if the number is actually yours or not. And after verifying your code number, your Snapchat is open. Now you can go to your phone and open your Snapchat. So that's how you create a Snapchat account. So to add and remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat, it's pretty simple. So basically you don't have to do anything to remove someone from your best friend list. So best friend is totally private. Like no one will know like who your best friend is. Like I might be someone's best friend and I wouldn't know it. And someone could be my best friend and they will know that they are my best friend. So they're completely private. So to add someone as best friend, like you need to consistently interact with each other, like send them snap and receive snap from them and chat with them. Just interact with each other using Snapchat and you'll become best friend if you interact with each other for more than a week. And to remove somebody from your best friend list, you just have to stop interacting with them for like a week and they will be removed. It's that simple. Now to add Snapchat filter to your existing photo, it's pretty simple. So what you gotta do is, now before showing this step, I'm gonna tell you there's limitation on the type of filter you can add on a Snapchat with a existing photo. Like if you're thinking of adding filter like these, like you know, the puppy face and all these filter on photo which you have taken, then my friends, you cannot, because Snapchat doesn't allow that. There are just some filters which you can add. Let me show you the type of filter. Like click on the gallery icon which is at the bottom left corner right beside the big circle, then click on camera roll. Now select the photo in which you want to add the effect. So let's say I want to add effect on this photo. So over here you can click on the three dot which is at the top right corner and click on edit snap. And over here, as you guys can see, you can add limited type of filters. Like if you scroll, you can add different, like you know, background colors over here. And if you want to add some text, you can click on the T button. There are different kind of tools at the right corner, as you guys can see. So these are the edits which you can apply on it. And if you want to send it, you can click on send to and send it to your friends. But if you don't want to send it to anybody, you can just save it to your friends. But remember, you cannot add puppy filters on this photo as it is already taken. If you want to add puppy filters and other stuff, you have to take photo using Snapchat. So to add someone on Snapchat without saying add by username, what you have to do is, one way is to add them using your Snapcode or their Snapcode. Like basically if they want to add you, then you need to send them your Snapcode, but if you want to add them, then they need to send their Snapcode to you. So what Snapcode is basically at the top left corner, you can click on your profile picture. So as you guys can see, the yellow box with like black dots, that's my Snapcode. To get it, just click on it, save Snapcode. Then it says save Snapcode. You can click on save Snapcode. Now the Snapcode is going to be saved on your gallery. You can send it to your friend using whichever mean you want, like Messenger, Viber, Instagram, anything you want. You just send it to them and they just scan the snap code and add you in Snapchat. Basically what this means is, like if you go on your profile, right, and you scroll down and you click on add friends. Now if you type their username over here, the full username, like over here it says it's me Parveena. So let me type it. So as you guys can see, I typed her full name and I searched for it, right? So if I click on add, then it's gonna send a friend request to Parveena saying send add request by search, because I typed her full name. So to escape this as well, I can just, you know, delete half her name and then click on add. So if I do that, it's gonna send her a request, but it's gonna say by search, not by add username, okay? Because like if I type her full name and then send her a friend request, it's gonna say added by username because I searched her using her username. But if I only type half of her name and click on her profile picture and send her add, then it's gonna say added by search. So that's basically it. Like Snapchat is gonna say how you added the other person. Like it's gonna say by username or by Snapcode or by search. It's gonna say either one from these three. But to remove by username, you can just add a person by searching or by Snapcode. Now if you want to delete multiple conversation at once, it's pretty simple. You can just click on your profile picture, which is at the top left corner, and then you can click on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner, and you can scroll down until you see clear conversation, which is on privacy section. Click on clear conversation. Now there's a cross mark over here. Now if I click on cross mark on Abhinav Timla, then my conversation with Abhinav Timla will be cleared. And if I click on Snapchat, then my conversation with Snapchat will be cleared. So I can just click on these X mark both and do this. Then my conversation with them will be cleared. As you guys can see, my chat is empty because I only talked with those two. So there's nothing being shown over here because I have no conversation with them. So that's basically how you delete multiple conversation at once. So to fix your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat, let me show you what this problem really is. So to go to there, you can just click on the gallery icon, which is at the bottom left corner, right beside the big circle. Then you can go to camera roll, and as you guys can see over there, your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. So basically this isn't an error, this is just a message. This is just a message for you to notify that all these photos and video you see over here is stored in your phone's memory and it is not backed up by Snapchat. So if you go to your gallery and start deleting these photos and videos, then they will disappear from here as well because they are not backed up by Snapchat and you cannot retrieve them using Snapchat. So basically this isn't a issue or a problem, this is just a warning of Snapchat saying like these photos and videos aren't backed up by Snapchat. But like if you want to send any of these videos or photos to somebody, you can just click on that photo and then you can click on this arrow which is at the bottom right corner, click on it, and you can send it to whomever you want or add to your story as well. This isn't like a kind of problem, it's just saying you that these things are like these photos are not backed up by Snapchat. And to see the photos which are backed up by Snapchat, you can just scroll over here and click on snaps, and the photos and videos you see over here is gonna be the snaps like which is backed up by Snapchat. Now to screenshot Snapchat without them knowing in 2021, so as you guys can see, Avnab Timla has sent me a snap. So if I open this and screenshot it, normally it's gonna send him a message saying I have screenshotted the snap. So to do this, basically just scroll down your page and reload your chat for some time. Reload your chat 3 times just to make sure. After reloading your chat, just turn off the Wi-Fi and then open the snap. And once the snap opens, screenshot it, and then immediately after you screenshot it, you need to delete your Snapchat. So after doing that, you just have to reinstall your Snapchat again and log into your account. Then it won't send a message saying that I have screenshotted Abhinav's Snapchat to Abhinav. So that's basically how you do it. What does quick add friends on Snapchat mean? So as you guys can see over here on my chats, you can see quick add. So all these people below are quick add friends. But if you can't see this quick add on your chat, you can always click on your profile picture, which is at the top right corner. Then go to add friends, and as you guys can see, quick add, these are all the people shown over here. So what it means is like Snapchat's algorithm shows people who the Snapchat's algorithm think is your friends, because these people are extracted from your contacts and your mutual friend. Like if one of your friend is mutual friend with the other person, then it's gonna show you to quick add the person, because Snapchat thinks like you might know the person because one of your friend is a friend of that person, so you might know. Or if they are extracted from your contacts, then they might be shown over here as well. So basically Snapchat algorithm just picks up people you might know. So that's what quick add is. So what does the number mean on Snapchat? So basically what a number mean on Snapchat is, so let me take you there. So if you go to your profile, so as you guys can see, there is 5 right below my name, Vichy Kevin. So the 69 is not the number, it's my username, Vichy Kevin 69. That's my entire username. The only number we are looking right now is 5. So as you guys can see over here, you guys might also see a number like this on your profile. So what this means is like basically this number depends on like how you interact or use Snapchat. Like this number grows up the more like you know interact with people using Snapchat. Like if I send more snap to people and if I receive more snap from people, then this number will gradually grow up. So this number represents how much you use Snapchat. So basically Snapchat hasn't like told anyone like how they count this number, but the basic thing is this number gradually increases the more you interact with other people using Snapchat. So like if I send snap to other and if others send snap to me and my snap streaks increase, then this number will also gradually increase. So that's basically the number on Snapchat, what this number means on Snapchat. So hope you guys understand it. So to add background song on Snapchat, it's pretty simple. You just make yourself a Snapchat or get a video from your gallery. So let me get a video from my gallery real quick. So I go to camera roll and I want to choose this. So I'm going to click on the three dot which is at the top right corner, and I'm going to click on edit snap. And you can click on the music icon which is at the right side right below the scissors, as you guys can see. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this place and you can choose whichever song you want. So let's say I want to play this song. So the song is playing right now, but you guys can't hear it because I've muted it due to copyright issue. So the song is playing. You can just click on the tick mark, or you can align where you want the song to start or where like how long you want the song to be, and click on the tick, and you can send it to your friends or save it to wherever you want. So that's basically how you add song to your Snapchat. And to scan Snapcode is pretty simple. You can go to your chats and at the top you can click on the person with the plus sign which is at the top right corner, and you can click on the ghost icon which is right below the three dot at the top right corner, and it's going to take you to the gallery, and click on the Snapcode which you want to scan. So let's say this. So Snapchat scanned it and it says Abhinav Timla is already my friend, but if he was not my friend then a friend request would have been sent to him right now. So that's basically how you scan Snapcode as well. So that's basically the Snapchat tutorial. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody, and if you got any problem with today's video you can comment down below as well. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.